So here we are. This is the back of my van. Yay, that's my daughter. And this is a real plant. So we're here at the park. This is a beautiful day, 70 degrees weather. We're going to have a promo shoot for Mother's Day. I'm super excited. So usually when I do this shoot, sorry, it's kind of hard to grab. I'm holding a chair. I already have something in mind, and it's kind of funny because I like it this way, to come to life the way I actually picture it in my brain. Right now we're in debate of what we want. So my daughter has a lot of opinion on this because she's my helper, and we're trying to decide where we want to do it. I think I'm settled on where I'm not sure. So what's stopping me is the dirt on the floor, because even though I got a rug, I don't want it to get all dirty. So we'll see. So I decided to go where my first spot was, where I thought that we were gonna go. And my daughter's like, "Are you sure you don't want to carry all of this thing?" But in my vision, this is over there. It's my spot in my brain. So this setup is what we think we would like. Hopefully it translates really good on pictures. I think it does. The video doesn't do it justice, but I'll show you what the end result is. I think it's gonna be beautiful. Finally we decided on this spot. Yep, my daughter was right. Yay! We went over there, did what I thought, and then she was right. This translates much better with the sun right in the back, the arch. Can't wait to show you. I think this is much better. What about if you grab her and give her kisses or just playing with her? Like, I want the interaction. Yeah. Did your mama do that? You have to do it. Yeah, but. They're gonna be perfect. So I had a vision of it.